In this video, we're going to install iDrone, open it. We'll play the practice level. We'll shop for some extra items, and then we'll play a level that we purchased. Let's start by installing it. We're going to do an Android install, so we're going to go to the Google Play Store, search for iDrone, and tap the install button. If you're using a different store, follow the process for that store. Once the app is finished downloading, it's going to install. And once it's finished installing, that open button will highlight and we'll be able to open the app directly from the App Store. Okay, we're almost finished downloading, and in just a moment the download will be done. Now we see it's installing, and when the install is done, that open button will become active. As you see, now it's active. So now to open the app, we just tap that open button in the App Store. And again, depending on your App Store, this may be slightly different. The app is going to open and display its main screen, and I'll just tap Start. You'll see the game controls when you do that. You can make note of them. They vary depending on platform. And now we have the main menu. So let's go ahead and practice. We're going to practice using the free level, which is the target practice level. Just tap Target Practice. Again, you'll see the controls. Just to remind you, this is displayed between each loading scene. So I'm just going to slide the speed slider up on the left-hand side. I'm using a mobile device, so I'm touching the screen and I'm tilting to steer. I'll just quickly fly over to the city and take a shot at a couple of targets just so you can see what practicing is like. There's a machine gun just up on the top right-hand corner of that building to the right. That skyscraper dead ahead you see in the top right-hand corner. I'm not going to get it with that shot. Right there you can see it. Alright, so I'll take that machine gun out, and there's a truck driving up over there on the left. You'll see it. I'll just fly over there and take that out, and then I'm going to tap the exit button, which is that circular arrow, and I'll return back to the menu once I take this target out. And once again, you get the controls between each load scene. You'll see that. Now let's do some shopping. In order to do some shopping, we need to tap BTS Shop, and in order to restore our purchases, we need to create a new account. So tap New Account. A new account will be automatically created, and you claim it just by typing in your password. You'll probably want to use a more secure password than this, but once I've put in my password in the Verify field as well, I can tap Connect. And when I tap Connect, I've taken ownership of that account. Now I can buy some coins. Tap the Buy Coins button. Follow whatever the process is for your store. I'm using Google Play, so it's one tap. It's very easy. And once I have coins, I can close the shop. And now I'm ready to buy things. Making a purchase is straightforward. I'm going to just pick, let's start by buying a drone. So pick Select Drone, and then use the arrow keys to find the drone that you want to buy. What you'll notice is that check mark is going to become a $sign when I'm going to buy something that I don't own. Like I'll buy this one. So just tap the $sign, and it'll turn to a check mark, and then tap the check mark to select it. Now we can do the same thing with a mission. So once we're back on the main screen, let's tap Select Mission. Now we can scroll through the missions in the same way. Let's find one that we want to buy. I'll destroy the storage sites, tap the $sign to buy it, and tap the check mark to play it. And now here I am. I'll just accelerate to get out of the tent. And once I've accelerated out of the tent, you'll notice that the mini map is going to show me the target. I can tap on it so you can get a better view of the target. So now I know where it is, and also if you look on the horizon, you'll see it's just off there. There's a silo of yellow light indicating where this is. I'll fly over to it, and we'll just take the first storage site out, and after that I'll exit from this level. And there's a few more storage sites that you have to take out to finish this level. I'll just make a slight turn here to the left, and you'll see the storage site just down there on the ground, hidden amongst the buildings. Let's take it out with a missile. And there you go. So that's the basics of iDrone. You're all set now to go ahead and purchase levels and drones and fly around blowing stuff up.